So getting that quality and doing all this, what does the testing entail for you guys?
There's quite a few different testing standards out there. So recently we've kind of been pushing our Science of Brilliant, which is basically our testing standards that we've always been doing on Trijicon products, but now we've just been putting a little bit more marketing effort behind it. So really when we're working on the military side of the business, there's a lot of different hoops that you have to jump through to kind of adhere to getting these contracts. So they have to be able to, withstand temperatures from -20 all the way up to 140 degrees. They also have to be able to get shock and vibration testing. And we do that with a simulator that we actually kind of came up with in our factory. And it can be simulated of a SCAR heavy round up to 5,000 rounds. So that way, we don't have someone just sitting on the range just plowing through rounds. We can actually do that in our factory and kind of go through that same simulation to see if there were to be any fail points in the testing, where those came about, and how we can go about addressing that. So needless to say, there's a lot of effort that goes into that. There's a lot of engineering that goes into that. And that's really what makes Trijicon, right? So I think a lot of people see the price tag that we have on our optics and, it might give you a little bit of sticker shock initially, but our kind of motto for Trijicon is buy once, cry once. And the reason that we say that is because there are a lot of optic options out there, but we've also heard people that have bought competitor optics or maybe just kind of went the cheaper route and didn't necessarily want to get the highest quality, the most durable option. And then they end up coming back to us in the long run because, it just didn't work out how they expected it to. So we really put a lot of emphasis behind making sure that, hey, if you are going to pay that price point for an optic, you are going to get the most quality and the most durable optic that you can find, and you can stand behind it, and you can really put your life behind it.